Hello dear students, today in EVS we start chapter number 10 about kitchen. Dear students, we know that our body gets the energy from food. So to get energy we eat different kinds of food. We eat various food items and these various food items mummy prepared in the kitchen. So today we see about kitchen, about the different utensils used for the cooking, about cooking gas and fuel, and the process of cooking along with the various methods of cooking. So let's start the lesson. Look at the picture, color the space which have dot in them. What do you see? So dear students, here you have to fill color where you see the dots. Then you will see different kinds of utensils. Utensils means વાસણો તમે જોઈ શકો છો અલગ અલગ પ્રકારના, બરાબર. So here we have to write their names. We write that the first picture, this one is this, it is called frying pan. Frying pan. Then the second picture is, this picture is called serving spoon. Then the third picture is of, this one is, it is a pot. Then this picture is called frying ladle. Then we can see this is called roasting pan. Then we can see this picture, this utensil is called non-stick pan. Then this picture, this is a picture of cooker. And the last picture, this utensil is called spatula. Now, in the picture you must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. Are there any other utensils used in your house for cooking? Which are they? So here we have to write the names of other utensils which use in our house. So dear students, we use large bowls. You write in the boxes large bowls. Then we use spoon. Then dishes. Then we use small bowls. Then we use plates. So different utensils we use in kitchen. Now the question is, what are utensils made of? So these utensils are made of, mostly we use the utensils which are made up of steel. Then they are of copper. Then brass. We also use the utensils which are made up of glass. Glass એટલે કાચના વાસણો. Then iron. Now Ask some elderly people what kind of utensils were used earlier, what were they made of. So, if you ask your grandfather, grandmother what kind of utensils were they used, they will tell you that they used utensils which are very big and nice carving was there, and they use the utensils which are made up of copper, brass, bronze, iron, and they also use the utensils which were made up of mud. Mud એટલે માટીના વાસણો. Now think and tell, which things do we cook before eating, which things do we eat raw, and which are the things we eat both cooked and raw. તો અહીંયા આપણે લખવાનું છે the things that are eaten raw, એટલે કઈ વસ્તુ છે જે આપણે કાચી ખાઈ શકીએ છીએ. So we can eat carrots, જેને આપણે કાચું ખાઈ શકીએ છીએ, બરાબર. Then tomato, then we can eat cucumber, then fruits and onion. Then things that are eaten cooked, જેને આપણે બનાવીએ છીએ, કૂક કરીએ છીએ અને પછી જ ખાઈએ છીએ. So they are rice, then pulses, then dal, bhakhri and chapati. And things that are eaten both raw and cooked, જેને આપણે કાચી પણ ખાઈ શકીએ છીએ અને કૂક કરીને પણ ખાઈએ છીએ. So they are carrot, then cabbage, then onion, tomato and radish, which we can eat both raw and cooked. Now have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? તમે કોઈ જગ્યાએ ચપાટી બનતા જોઈ છે? મમ્મી જ્યારે ચપાટી બનાવે છે ત્યારે તમે કદી ઊભા રહીને જોઈ છે કે મમ્મી ચપાટી કેવી રીતે બનાવે છે? So there are so many things to be done for this. તો ચપાટી બનાવવા માટે બહુ બધો એફર્ટ લગાવવો પડે છે, ત્યારે ચપાટી બનીને આપણી ડીશમાં આવે છે. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વોટ વી હેવ ટુ ડુ, ટેકિંગ આઉટ ફ્લોર ઇન અ યુટેન્સિલ્સ, એક વાસણમાં આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ, મમ્મી લોટ લે છે. દેન નીડિંગ ઇટ ઇન્ટુ અ ડો, પછી શું કરે છે, આપણે એને કહીએ છીએ લોટ બાંધે છે. મમ્મી પાણી નાખીને શું કરે છે, લોટ બાંધે છે. મીન્સ ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એ નીડિંગ ઇટ ઇન્ટુ અ ડો. દેન મેકિંગ સ્મોલ બોલ્સ ઓફ અ ડો, એટલે પછી લોટ બંધાઈ જાય એટલે એના શું બનાવે છે, નાના નાના બોલ્સ બનાવે છે. Then rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. પછી બોલને શું કરે છે, વેલણ અને પાટલી લે છે ને એની પર એને વણે છે રાઉન્ડ, એન્ડ ધેન કુકિંગ ઇટ ઓન ફાયર, પછી એને તવા પર શું કરે છે, શેકે છે. આફ્ટર સો મચ એફર્ટ્સ ધ ચપાટી રીચેસ યોર પ્લેટ. તો મમ્મી આટલો બધો એફર્ટ્સ કરે છે, ત્યાર પછી તમારી ડીશની અંદર શું આવે છે, ચપાટી આવે છે. Now see and write, go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was done to cook it. તમારે કિચનમાં જવાનું છે અને કંઈક બનતું હોય, એક આઇટમનું નામ લખવાનું છે. Then which ingredients are used and the steps how it prepared. So here name of the item we write suppose name of the item rice. Then we have to write ingredients. Ingredients means કઈ વસ્તુ use થાય છે. So rice grain, then water and salt. Okay. Now we have to write the steps. To prepare rice, what we have to do? So first of all, take rice grain. First of all, we take rice grain. Then the second step is what to do? Wash them. We have to take rice grain and then we have to wash them properly. Then the third step is take water in a pan. In third step, we take water in a pan. Then the fourth step is put rice and salt in a pan. Then the fifth step is boil rice on the stove. Boil rice on the gas stove. And the sixth step is cook till rice is done. Cook till rice is done. So these are the steps to prepare rice. Now you have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. So આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે different food items different ways થી બનતી હોય છે. Some are baked and some are fried. કેટલીક આઇટમ્સ એવી છે જેને આપણે બેક કરીએ છીએ, કેટલીક એવી છે જેને મમ્મી શું કરે છે? ફ્રાય કરે છે. Some are roasted while some are steamed. કેટલીક રોસ્ટ કરીને બનાવે છે તો કેટલીક સ્ટીમ કરીને બનાવે છે. Now think and write. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of two things cooked by each of these methods. Add some more methods of cooking to the list and give example. So here methods of cooking are given to us and we have to write the names of two food items which are prepared by different method of cooking. So the first method of cooking is roasting. So which item we prepare by roasting? So we roast sweet potatoes. Sweet potato. And the second item is corn. Popcorn ખાવ છે ને, that is corn. Then boiling. By boiling we boil potato and we prepare rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Then frying. What we fry? Puri and pakoda. Then baking, we bake cake and bread. Now here we have to add method of cooking. So we add steaming. Now we write the names of things which we prepared by steaming. They are idli and dokla. And one more method of cooking, shallow frying. Shallow frying. And we prepare vegetables parathas by the method of shallow frying. So dear students, here we have seen method of cooking and names of things. Now, which fuel is used to cook food in your house? So you ask your parents which fuel આપણે use કરીએ છીએ to cook a food. Generally, nowadays in cities we use gas, LPG gas. Now draw a picture in your notebook and write its name. So here you have to draw a picture what you use to cook food. Identify the picture given below and write their names. Match the picture with list. Matching can be with more than one thing also. So the first picture is of mud stove. જેને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને ચૂલો કહીએ છીએ. So the first picture is mud stove. Then in mud stove we use wood. શું સળગાવે છે? લાકડા સળગાવવામાં આવે છે. Then the second picture is of coal stove. કોલ એટલે કોલસો. ઓકે, સો એને ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? સગડી કહીએ છીએ. So in coal stove we use coal. Then third picture is of gas stove. So we use match is with gas, LPG gas. Then this is the picture of solar cooker. Solar cooker એટલે સનની લાઇટથી જે ફૂડ પ્રિપેર કરે છે, it is called a solar cooker. So we match it with sunlight. Then the next picture is of primers or stove, and in that we use kerosene oil. And the last picture is of electric hot plate. Okay, and in that we use electricity. Wood is here, coal, gas, sunlight, and cow dung cakes also we use in chula, in mud stove. Okay. Now dear students, we see the next page, read and make. So whole मूंग seeds overnight in water. તો મગ તમે જોયા હશે, બરાબર? મગને શું કરવાનું કહે છે? સો હોલ મૂંગ seeds overnight in water એટલે એક રાત પાણીની અંદર મગને પલાળવાના છે. In the morning, wrap the soaked મૂંગ in a wet cloth and cover it. પછી બીજા દિવસે મોર્નિંગમાં તમારે એ મગને એક ભીના કપડાની અંદર બાંધી દેવાના છે. ટેક ઇટ આઉટ આફ્ટર અ ડે. પછી એક દિવસ પછી તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? એ મગને બહાર કાઢવાના છે. ડુ યુ ફાઇન્ડ એની ડિફરન્ટ? યસ, we can see that the મૂંગ seeds germinate after a day. મૂંગ seedsની ઉપર શું આવી ગયા છે? નાના નાના ફણગા ફૂટ્યા છે, and that is called that મૂંગ seeds germinate after a day. Now add sliced onions, tomato, salt and lemon juice to the મૂંગ and share it with your classmate. તો એ મગની અંદર એ ફણગાડેલા મગ, આપણે શું કહે છે ને? ફણગેલા મગની અંદર તમને ડુંગળી કાપવાનું કહે છે, ટમેટો, સોલ્ટ એન્ડ લેમન જ્યુસ, and you share this with your classmate. Now look and write which are the other things can prepare without cooking. So અહીંયા આપણે એને કીધું છે કે એવી કઈ કઈ ફૂડ આઇટમ્સ છે તે તમે વિધાઉટ કુકિંગ તમે બનાવી શકો છો. હિયર વન એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇઝ ગિવન ટુ અસ, લેમન water. So lemon water we prepare without cooking. So how to prepare it? Mix sugar in water, then add lemon juice, strain it, and lemon water is ready. So here we have to write two more food items which we can prepare without cooking. So first we write that fruit chart. बराबर, fruit chart. So how to prepare this fruit chart? So first of all we have to take fruits. Take fruits. Then the second step is wash them. Then the third step is chop them એટલે નાના નાના પીસીસમાં કાપી લો. And then add ચાટ મસાલા. Our food chart is ready. And we can also prepare lassi. So how to make it? First of all, take 1 cup of curd. First step is take 1 cup of curd. Curd એટલે દહીં લેવાનું છે. Then the second step is add sugar. Then third step is add crushed ice. And the fourth step is mix well them using mixture. Mix them using mixture. Lassi is ready. So dear students, here a lesson is also finished, and in this lesson we have seen about kitchen, about different utensils which are used for cooking, different types of cooking gas and different fuel, process of cooking and various methods of cooking. I hope you have understood this lesson. Try to understand it, and till that, goodbye.